Hey Apple fans, Apple Sheep, and anyone else out there watching, Richard here with another episode of iTalk. And in this one, we are going to unbox and review the BaseLynx wireless charging system, and it's coming up right after the intro. Okay, so this is the BaseLynx wireless charging kit. It's a modular charging station, so you can interchange these and arrange them however you want. That's one of the nice things about it. All right, so let's open it up and see what's on the inside here. And wow, that's pretty nice. Nice thick sturdy box. And let's get these components out of here, and they are packed in there pretty securely. Actually, very securely. This is the vertical charging stand. On the back of the stand, it has a USB-C and two USB-A ports. And this one is the charging pad, and the last one is the Apple Watch charger. And this can be pulled out, so you can put it on there with a band and some handy-dandy instructions. And then I'm guessing this is probably the power cable. So this is a modular system, so you can arrange these any way you want. And you can add modules. You can add up to 15 points, and we'll talk about the point system later. But you can add up to 15 points worth of modular components on this thing. So we're going to use it and then come back and finish the review. Okay, we've been using this thing for about a week now, maybe a little longer, and this is how we put it together. So I mentioned before that the number of modules that can be connected is based on a point system, and you can have up to 15 points connected with one power source. So let's talk about the points. This is the vertical charging stand, and that's worth 5 points. There is a power end cap, which didn't come with this kit that I bought. It actually comes with the Pro kit, but I didn't feel like I needed that. But there's a power end cap that has another USB-A and another USB-C, and then the vertical charging stand is 5 points. The power end cap is 3 points, and the iPhone/iPod charger is 2 points, and the Apple Watch charger is 1 point. So right now we have 5, 6, 7, 8 points connected to this to one power source. And so you can actually add 7 more. So I could add a couple more iPhones, a few more Apple Watches. I could add another vertical charging stand. So you can do this any way you want, up to a 15-point maximum for one power source. So let's talk about how this charges. So this is QI certified. It's also MFI certified, which is, I guess, made for little I, made for Apple stuff. So we did a 30-minute charge on my iPhone, my iPad, and my Apple Watch to see how much charge you get in a 30-minute period. So the iPad was at only 3% when I started, and after 30 minutes it charged to 20%. So it charged 17% on my iPad pretty quickly in 30 minutes. So happy with that. My iPhone was at 58%, and after 30 minutes it was 72%. So not too bad, 14% in 30 minutes. My Apple Watch was at 50%, and after 30 minutes it charged to 87%, so pretty quick. So not bad. I'm pretty happy with those. It really looks good in the white. It also comes in a black, except the black is a lot cheaper. I mean, this was $149.95. The same exact thing in the black was $118 at B&H. The Pro kit for this was $199.95, and the black Pro kit, which does include the power end cap, was $146.89 or something like that. So $146 and change. So the black is a lot cheaper. So I called the manufacturer, and they basically said they couldn't come up with anything other than the white is an Apple exclusive. So you're basically paying an Apple tax. Now, with the exception of the Pro kit in white also comes with not only the power end cap, but it also comes with two 1-foot USB-C charging cables. So you do get a little bit more, but I'm not sure if it's worth 50 bucks. I mean, I really like the white, so I'm not too disappointed that I bought it. But if you want to save yourself a little money and get the exact same product, I would probably just go with the black. And all the other components in black are a lot cheaper too. But it works really well so far. I'm really happy with it. Let's get some stuff on here and just show you what it looks like. Here it is with the iPad. Let's add the iPhone. On the iPhone/wireless AirPod charger, there is an indicator light that comes on right there. One thing just to be aware of that's kind of a negative, you really have to get this iPhone right on the right spot or it won't charge. So that's a bit of a negative. And the Apple Watch. Nice little ding when it's charging. There's no indicator light on here, but you can hear the ding. It's loud enough on your Apple Watch. You can also flip this up and put it on with the band around it. iPads do not support QI wireless charging or any wireless charging for that matter. So you have to connect it via USB-C to USB-C on the back. Again, there's also two more USB-A ports on the back. So you can actually charge on the vertical stand up to 3 devices. So you could throw a couple more iPhones on here with a USB-A to Lightning adapter, depending on which iPhone you have. So there's lots of options on here, and that still only uses the 3 points. So you can still charge 3 devices on the vertical charging stand. So throw an iPhone up here. So you can add the AirPods to the wireless module. So you can have up to 3 devices on the vertical charging stand. So I've got my iPad and my iPhone, which isn't going to be wirelessly charged. You have to wire this via USB-A to Lightning. But here's an old iPhone that I have that's charging just fine on here. So the wireless charging module not only supports iPhone, but it also supports AirPod wireless charging if you have the wireless charging case for your AirPods. And you can see with the AirPods, the charging indicator light also comes on with those. So that's pretty nice. So this system doesn't just support Apple devices, it also supports pretty much any QI enabled device, such as Android, Google, Samsung, any device that's QI enabled for wireless charging. Obviously, if you have a Surface Book, you can just plug it in and charge it there. So it's not just for Apple devices. The white one is marketed for Apple because it's Apple exclusive, and that means Apple tax. Android phone. What is this?
LG.
LG. And as you can see, I think, is it on?
It's on.
Okay, so as you can see, it charges just fine, and it does fast charge too on this device. So I did order another charging module, so I don't have to switch out my AirPods and my iPhone. I can just put them both on there at the same time, and that's only 1 point. So then I'm only up to 9 points, so I still have 6 points to go after that. I did not get the Pro kit. I personally just feel like I didn't need the powered end cap. I mean, there's enough on here. I don't feel like I need another USB-A and another USB-C. adapter on here, so I'm fine without it. If I ever get so many devices on there, I guess I'll buy the powered end cap. But I did want the other charging module, so I can throw my iPhone and my AirPods on there at the same time. All right, that just about wraps this one up. Overall, I would highly recommend this product. It has a couple of little persnickety things, especially the charging on the iPhone. You have to really have the iPhone pretty precisely placed over the magnetic coil, otherwise it doesn't charge. I learned that the hard way. So when you stick it on there, make sure you either see the indicator light come on or you hear the little chime that says it's charging your iPhone. But again, overall, I really like it. It looks good on my desk. I got the white. I paid the Apple tax. Not sure why, but I did. But if you're looking for a good wireless charging kit, this is a really good product. And if you want to save yourself a little money, don't pay the Apple tax because it's an Apple exclusive. Get the black. It looks really good too. So you can get the white on the Scosche website, but it's still going to be the same price you'd pay for it through Apple or if you went into the Apple store. There are no other places where you can get the white. The white is only available through the Scosche website or through Apple. And by the way, if you go to the website right now, as of the date of this video, they're offering 10% off. So if you're interested, go to Scosche website and you can order directly from them and you can get 10% off. So I hope you liked our review of the BaseLynx wireless charging module kit. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and smash the bell so you don't miss an iTalk video. I'm Richard, this is iTalk. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next one, we'll catch you on the flip side. We are out.